How to convert Facebook account to business page. Hey everybody, welcome back. If you wanted to change your Facebook account into business page, you can follow up this method. So for that, you can open up your Facebook application easily and log in into your account. Once you are logged in, you can head over to the menu bar to open up the menu. Now what you need to do is simply tap on your profile name and you will be led to the section. After that, in order to change your profile into page, you can go ahead and tap on the three dot beside edit profile from your profile, this one right here, and this menu opens up. So from the given menu, you need to go ahead and select the option that says turn on professional mode, like this one right here. Go ahead and tap on it, go on with the process of turning on the professional mode, and once that is done, you should be finding your professional dashboard, and that says that you've already converted your profile into a page when your friends turn into a follower. So that is it for now. That is how you basically convert your Facebook profile into a business page. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.